spring day. Buzz, buzz! Look at those beautiful flowers. Oh no! It's a bee! Run! Ah! Wow! Those flowers move! I've never seen flowers move like that. I'm not a flower. I'm a person. Oh, I'm sorry. You have pretty yellow hair. I thought you were a sunflower. That's okay. It has happened to me before. When I was young, I played outside and got stung on my head. Oh no! I'm sure the bee didn't know you were a person. I think so too. What's your name? My name is Miss B. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Miss B, would you like to be on my show? I think it would be great to know about bees. I would love to. Bees are important to the earth. Great, let's start. Welcome back to Making Manda. Today, our guest is Miss B. Hello, I'm Miss B. Buzz buzz. Miss B, you were saying bees are important to the earth. Why are they important? Bees help plants and flowers to grow. Without bees, you wouldn't have different kinds of flowers. How do bees make different flowers? When bees travel between flowers, they carry the pollen, which helps make different flowers. That's amazing! How many kinds of bees are there? There are more than 20,000 different bees. They also live in hives. So how many bees live in one hive? Around 50,000 bees can live in one hive. That's a lot of bees. But bees have been disappearing. Why are bees disappearing? There is no exact answer. Some think it is because people put chemicals on the plants. Oh no! Why do people put chemicals on plants? I think it's because farmers try to keep bugs off the plants. But I think global warming is another reason. Global warming affects all creatures on Earth. If we can fix global warming, everything would be better. I will try my best to help the Earth. Thank you, Manda. Before we go, how about we watch some cool bee videos? That's a great idea. Let's watch. bees were so amazing. Miss B, I have a gift for you. Wow, it's so beautiful. I love it. Thank you, Manda. Thank you for telling us about bees. You're welcome. Please come again, Miss B. Okay, goodbye. See you later. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you next time. Bye.